Hello, Jane Cleland here. Question. I'm going to use a pseudonym. Do I introduce myself to an agent or an editor under my real name so it jives with my bio? Yes. And you want to either use a parenthetical statement or commas uh, indicating Jane Cleland, comma, writing as so-and-so, comma, or parentheses. But my question back to you is, why are you using a pseudonym? Very often writers think, well, I'm going to work in a different genre. And I'm not sure you need to change your name. For example, readers of mysteries tend to read widely. They might like cozies and police procedurals, and they like thrillers. If you use different names, a fan of yours won't know that you're also doing this other kind of writing that they may well enjoy too. Now, sometimes people want a fresh start. That's okay. I'm not telling you not to use the pseudonym. I'm just saying make sure you really need it. Good luck with it.